I hope that you guys are having a fantastic Tuesday. I'm gonna be uploading this probably tonight, so I'm gonna be doing a little haul and unboxing. Well, I unboxed a lot of stuff already, so I'm gonna show you guys that last, but I'm gonna show you guys my Anastasia haul. Then keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe and also like this video if you guys like hauls and Anastasia. Sometimes when you're unboxing stuff, it feels like Christmas. I don't know about you guys, but you see like a black sleeper, and then just open this up, and then I bought the Anastasia Jackie Anina palette. It's so cute. I love the packaging so much. I did the afterpay because I had bills to pay. So when you open, it looks like this. It just looks exactly like the packaging itself. So when you open it, it's like that. So many pretty colors. Very excited to play with this today. And then I also bought the new palette from the Norvina collection. So it looks like this. This is not PR or anything. It would be nice if I did. Looks like that. I'm obsessed with like anything purple or blues. That's like my favorite color, or pinks. One thing I like about this packaging actually is like it's very protected, because when you open it, it's not just like you see the palette, but there's also another cover, so that whenever it travels, it'll be like nice and protected. I believe this was like $60 something, but I think it's worth it in my opinion. Looks like this in person. It's so big. It's like the size of my head. I haven't bought any eyeshadow palettes in a very long time, and when I see a new Anastasia palette, like I scream, because like I'm a very like collector of their palettes. It looks like this. Of course, you get a mirror. It's very cute. A lot of pinks and purples and everything. I'm obsessed. And the one thing I like about their palettes is like whenever they name the eyeshadows, it's like literally direct on the bottom and stuff like that. So when you want to do a look, you want to do a tutorial, everything's like laid out for you. There's like so many glitters, shimmers in here. I'm gonna do like a swatch and review later on this week. Whenever I get eyeshadow palettes, I always leave the plastic inside because I like to keep my eyeshadows clean. Got the travel size Anastasia primer because when you buy the palette, you get a free travel size. So in that box, I got like all of these envelopes because I do a Macari business. And in this box, this is all like thank you cards, you know, just to appreciate my buyers when they purchase something from me. So let me show you guys this inside. And I got the blue one. I like blue, like I said. And then pinks. This is all like 27 each inside, I believe. So yeah. So I'm gonna be using these today. Very excited. So yeah, that's what I got. So that's everything in my haul and unboxing. So if you guys are interested in more hauls, give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe, because I'm also gonna do a look, and I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to start like your own home business, how to make extra income, because we all know we want extra income because we got bills to pay. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Only life is me.